Hey everyone, I'm so excited to share some spring styling ideas for all the cozy corners of your home today. I'm sharing my laundry room, entryway, and upstairs hallway. I also have an easy DIY, so let's get started. First, I wanted to start with this easy DIY spring banner. I had some extra seed packets from my garden a couple years ago, which is actually what sparked the entire idea for this banner I wanted to create for my entryway. I used Canva to create the watercolor images you see that are inside the ovals. I searched for watercolor realistic vegetables and then added the images to an oval shape inside Canva. I had already measured the inside of the oval doilies, so I knew what size to make the ovals in Canva. Once I had the images created, I just printed everything out on white cardstock. I used a glue stick to glue together two doilies for some durability, and then I glued the cardstock ovals to the center of the doilies. I punched some holes in the tops of the cards with the watercolor images and added some ribbon. I am styling the banner on the antique dresser that I have in my entryway. I tied a piece of twine to the mirror, and then I used mini clothespins for hanging the cards, and that was it. I shared on a community post a couple days ago that I am trying to embrace a slower pace of life, not hurrying the days along, getting done what I can, and enjoying the process as I go. Sometimes that means that it might take me a little bit of extra time to edit a video, but I would much rather take more time and share quality videos than to hurry up and try to finish. This is a really busy time of year for me. I am preparing my garden for spring planting. I have my tiny flowers growing indoors right now, and I actually had to spend quite a bit of time transplanting some of those into larger pots, and I'm actually still working on doing that. Taking all those tiny little flowers and moving them into pots is actually very time consuming. I am working outside too, getting the dirt ready to go, making plans for a layout, and we just have all of the things happening at home right now. While it takes time to get things up and running for planting season, you will never find me complaining. My garden brings me an immense amount of happiness, and I find joy in the entire process. The cozy corners in my home are some of my favorite places to style. Decorating a home is a layering process, and styling just a few corners in your home helps to create that cozy, lived-in feeling. A couple of videos ago, I did share a handful of things that I picked up for spring decorating, but honestly, most of what I am using are things that I already had. Like this hat with the scarf tied around it. You would be surprised what you might already have in your closet that works well for seasonal decorating. Whether it be a hat, a jean jacket, or a scarf, I always dig around in my closet when the seasons change and see what I can use. I think my favorite part about decorating for spring this year has been bringing in some color. I usually lean a little more into neutrals, but it has been fun exploring with different colors and patterns. I noticed a change in how my home feels. It feels a little more happy, cheerful, and I love that. You can add color in your home in small doses, just here and there. Just a little further down the hallway in my entryway, near the kitchen, I have a small thrifted bench. I have this large basket that stays here all of the time, and I just change the florals out seasonally. I added just a few white geranium stems to some greenery that I already had in the basket. This is a great money-saving tip. You can add just a few floral stems to existing greenery. You can buy less seasonal stems, which means less to store and less spending too. The pillow with the house on it was created by an Instagram friend. She took an image of my home and sewed it on the pillow. It is one of those pieces that is so special and unique to my home. I will link her account in the description if you are interested in checking it out. Things in my home tend to travel around to different spaces. This is how I create a fresh look in a space without needing to buy anything new. I swap throw blankets, baskets, pillows, and even bows, which is how I styled my upstairs hallway. I gathered pieces from here and there. I had some wood frames from the thrift store that I picked up several months ago, and I just painted them white and added these sweet prints. I often have to balance functionality and practicality with decorating. This space here is a great example of that. Would I prefer the light switch on the wall to be somewhere else? Definitely, but I just have to figure out ways to style around it. I did try to move the hat up a hook and cover the light switch, but then that makes the light switch less functional. At the end of the day, you have to be able to use your plugs and light switches. They may not always look the prettiest, but I just try to make them blend in as best I can. Our last stop today is going to be my laundry room. I really enjoy styling my laundry room seasonally because with 3 kids and 4 dogs, I do a lot of laundry, so I might as well make it a space that I enjoy being in. I started by creating a mixed floral arrangement in this vintage-inspired clothespin bag. I loved the print on these pillowcases I found for just $1.29 for 2 of them at the thrift store a while back. I decided to hang one of them here on my vintage drying rack, and then later you will see I tied one to my peg rail. Just a simple way to add some color and pattern. I mentioned earlier about adding seasonal flowers to existing greenery in an arrangement. Well, you can do the same with a wreath as well. I had a few cosmos stems I had saved from a wreath I made last year. I'm just adding a few to make this wreath feel more spring-like. In this week's Cozy Chats, I wanted to take just a minute to wish you all a wonderful start to April and thank you for being here. Additionally, here are a few things that will be coming to my channel in the upcoming weeks. I can't wait to share all of these videos with you. My kids are all on spring break next week, so I will not be releasing a video. I am going to soak up some time with them, work on some garden preparations, and finish up some projects that have been on hold. Head over to my Instagram in the meantime. I will be sharing over there next week. If you are new here, I hope that you will subscribe and stay a while. I will see you all in 2 weeks.